Guys, guess what day it is?
What day is it?
It is December 1st, and you know what that means. First day of the Costco Wine Advent Calendar. Let's go! Guys, it's here. First day of the Wine Advent Calendar. It's happening. 2022. We are back. Took a little hiatus. I don't even know if we'll last this whole season, but if you like the videos, gonna keep doing them. We're gonna play with the format a little bit. I don't think we're gonna be doing a video every day, one video per wine. We might combine them. Hopefully have some more guest stars on. But it is December 1st, first day of the Wine Advent Calendar. Should we get into it?
Yes, we should.
All right. So, for those that don't know, the Wine Advent Calendar is a bunch of mini wine bottles from Costco. Get 24 wine bottles. It's like 12 full bottles of wine. It's $100. Mm-hmm. I mean, you get just it. You can't beat it. It's awesome. We love it. Many have tried to duplicate it. Many have failed. We are here with the first wine of the Wine Advent Calendar. This Red Hook Cabernet Sauvignon from Bulgaria. So, it is a Cab Sav, and I'm going to go through and read what the website has to say about this particular wine, the first wine. This is not your average Cabernet. Bold, yet restrained and bursting with wild cherry and eucalyptus. Red Hook is the most impressive cab you'll drink this year. Bold claim, Cotton. Coming from Bulgaria, Red Hook packs a punch without being too extra. Cabernet Sauvignon is grown widely across the world, and where it grows matters. Some regions make a jammy, oaky wine, while others make a savory, light wine. Red Hook lands perfectly in the middle. All right, so it's a Cabernet Sauvignon from Bulgaria.
Yes.
Have we had a Bulgarian wine before?
We have before.
Yeah.
I can't remember off the top of my head, but we did. And
okay.
I do remember liking it. It was good.
Awesome. Does Bulgaria specialize in a certain kind of grape?
Not really. Bulgaria is actually a very, very small producer. I think Cabernet Sauvignon might be their biggest that they have, but it's really not much. So in the area of the world that they're in, they're not very much known for wines. But again, every region is a new region to explore.
Awesome. Yeah. From the Thracian lowlands, it says. What can we expect for taste from this particular Cabernet Sauvignon?
Well, outside of the wild cherry and eucalyptus that this bottle will hold for us, we can also look for black currant, cedar, baking spices, and some mineralness in the graphite.
Always the mineralness. I just can't with it. Okay.
It comes from the terroir. You can't help it.
The what?
Terroir.
I don't know. What is terroir?
It is pretty much the environment and the ecosystem that the wine grows in. It includes the soil, the irrigation, the sunlight, the temperatures, everything around it.
Wow.
Yeah.
The more you know.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. So, should we pop this bad boy open and
yes, we should.
take a sip? Awesome. All right.
Oh, you don't want to...
We've upgraded a little bit. Still low production quality. Trying to work on the set a little bit. Need to work on a little production quality. Get some get some offset action. But we do have the automatic wine corking. I can feel it.
Yeah, isn't it nice?
I feel it coming. Look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And then it ejects it right out.
Lovely, simply lovely. So, is a Cabernet Sauvignon a drink? I know with some red wines you're supposed to let them breathe. Is this a drink that should breathe?
Yes.
Okay.
Cabernet Sauvignons should breathe. They are known as the big, heavy bad boys of the wine world.
So if you're watching this, it's probably a little bit late, but let your right hook breathe a little bit before you drink it. But it's good. Got a nice, fairly light, fairly dark.
Mm-hmm. It is very dark.
Pretty dang dark. Got some good swirls going on. Trying to make sure Krysta doesn't cheat and look at the alcohol volume, because her expert eye can tell. Whoo! Those are some slow legs in my inexperienced eye. Those are not moving very quick.
I'm gonna say 13 and a half.
13 and a half, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we got. 12 and a half. Pretty good. 1% off. Not too shabby. Good job, baby. All right. Should we
ready for the sniff?
Oh yeah, the sniff.
Sniff.
Can't forget the sniff. Gotta breathe through your mouth.
I do get like an earthy chalkiness to it.
Oh, you do?
Mhm.
I don't.
I'm not getting any fruit flavors on the nose.
It smells fruity to me.
We all have different like genes and olfactory.
I don't think I have any sense of smell at all.
No. No, you do not.
It smells like wine. I want to smell it. I want to smell it so bad. If you know how to smell it, if you know how to practice this, I've heard stuff like just go sniff like ingredients and stuff. Take some cinnamon. You need to be trained, apparently.
I'm gonna let you describe the tannins on this one.
Woo! Makes me pucker. Is that would that be considered high tannins?
That is correct.
Yeah, it just sucked all the moisture right off my tongue.
Yep.
That's it's not bad. It's not super dry. It's like it's dry, but it's not dry, dude. Wine is so weird.
I get some cherry. I'm not really getting eucalyptus. But then again, my exposure to eucalyptus is usually just an artificial scent in like a soap. So I've never actually
eucalyptus oil.
Exactly. I've never actually smelled eucalyptus, so I might be missing that. But there is a greenery in there. I'm getting more of a bell pepperish, like green bell pepper.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like it's not very fruity to me. It is very green and very mineral.
Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, we'll have to look into that eucalyptus a little bit.
Yeah.
But, yeah. So I guess then that is Right Hook. How do you feel about Right Hook? Is where do you like your Cab Savs normally?
I like mine to be about like medium tannins, just a slight hit of acidity, and I do float between either wanting that big bold Napa Cab, or I want like a French Bordeaux, and right now I'm leaning more towards the French Bordeaux side.
Oh, you were anti-French the last time we did this.
I was, so yeah. So I'm looking for more of a lighter
okay.
wine. But this one, like, I do agree, it is right in the middle between what you would describe as a New World versus Old World Cabernet Sauvignon. Flavor-wise and boldness-wise, it is just slightly more tannic than a Old World wine would be, or normally is, or the ones that I've experienced. But it is a very nice, gentle flavor. But if you do not like the lip puckering, this might not be the one for you.
And it's weird because it's got the pucker, but like the taste, I don't know if I'm just coming along. I don't know if I'm just starting to appreciate wine. It's like I don't like it, but I'm used to disliking wine like this a lot more. And
progress.
This, I don't really dislike this. So yeah, progress.
That's
indeed.
a first.
I do. Well, Italy was probably the first.
Italy changed you.
Italy did something to me. Made me feel some type of way. Oh, I got big long legs now. Oh, look at that. Who'd have thought? Anyway, I think then that is Right Hook from Bulgaria, Cabernet Sauvignon. First wine on the Costco Wine Advent Calendar. Stick with us. We got 23 more.
Yes.
The last one's not a wine, but that's okay. It's kind of considered a wine, isn't it?
It is a wine.
It is technically a wine.
Yes.
But it's bubbles.
It's a wine. Bubbles are wine.
Okay. Anyway, 23 days left. Hope you'll join us for a lot of them. Leave a comment, because we love some comments. We love knowing people are actually watching these, and I'm going to try to get some editing done and get this one out pretty quickly. And yeah, I think then we will see you tomorrow or maybe the day after for day 2 of the Costco Wine Advent Calendar. This is Nick and Krysta Do Wine.
No zdrowia.
Cheers. Salud.